welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Monica. In today's video, we're going to do a first impression unboxing Boxy Charm haul. So Boxy Charm, this is what we're going to do. We're gonna open it. As you guys can see, it's not open yet, and this is I'm gonna be opening it in front of you guys. Okay, so if you don't know, if you don't know, Boxy Charm have a $25 subscription. So what happened is they pick 5 products every month. They just send it to you. You don't know what they send to you. It's all surprise. It's all a surprise when you open it. And actually, like, the products that they send you are like full size product. That's what I heard. Full size product. So I am really excited to open this box. So I have this, I received this box since like a few days ago, and I was so tempted to open it, but today I decided to open it in front of you guys. So I'm gonna start opening it now. Let's try. So as you guys can see, it's still sealed. It's not open. And let me say that first. As you guys can see, I'm a small YouTuber. I am not affiliated. I did not get paid to do this review. So I'm opening the box. The box is open. So this is how the box look inside. Okay. So this is Boxy Charm, and the name is Sunshine. Sunshine. And let's go. Okay. They sent me this box here. This is the first product I put my hands on. It's color switch box. So I already have one, but this one is bigger, so it's good to have 2. This is much bigger. So what I bought one from Fenty Beauty. So this is the one I bought from Fenty Beauty, and then this is the one, if you compare the sizes, this is much smaller and it's pretty nice. So what it is, color switch back, quick color switch box. What you do with it, when you're doing your, when you're doing your makeup, you're applying your eyeshadows, what you do, you just, if you want to use a different color and you don't want to mix it up, you just wipe it out, and then this one remove the excess color, like previous color that you use, and then it give it to you. Came with the descriptions of every items in there, and then it tells you the prices and everything. So this one, okay, it says that it's a $20 product. It called Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. With this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powder, pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. So it comes like this. I really like this. And our next products will be Babe Lash. This is an essential serum for, it's a $59 product. This one, they said it's $59. Let's see, let's open it. Oh, it's a essential serum. It says who doesn't want noticeable beautiful lashes? The award-winning Babe Lash Essential Serum will give you the lashes you've been looking for by enhancing the appearance of length and volume over time. It can also be used on brows and with lash extension. Be your own kind of beautiful with Babe Lash. And again, the price is $59. It's like they said, it's full price. It's full size products. This is what you get. This is real good. And then I only paid $25. You pay $25 a month for this products. Like they send you every month. So nice. And our next product is, I'm guessing, Ciate London. It's everyday vacay. Everyday vacay. The price is $22. Everyday Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. This is a setting spray. As you can see, it's a full size. The price for it is $22. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London. London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Infused with coconut, this luminous ultra fine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. Let's open it and see. Oh. Oh, it smells so good. So coconut, like real. It smells like real coconut. Real coconut. It's really. Oh, it's a setting spray. Let's set my face with it because I have makeup on. Oh, this is really good. I love this. Can't wait for next month. And the serum. Let me try the serum. Let's see. Let me just open it and see. I forgot to. No scent. There's no scent to this one, so that's perfect. And so the next one, our next product is Morphe by Manny Muir. I don't know what to say. Glam palette. So this palette by itself, it's $20 at Morphe More. It's a glam palette. So it says, are you ready to go glam with many more? This mirrored palette pairs up 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadow and matte and shimmer finishes with 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you've got every reason to be shook. Again, the price is $20. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, it's very pretty. This is what they send you. It has I'm gonna try this color here. Color is pretty good. Our next product is Ace Beauté. It's a Bronze and Paradise palette. Bronze and Paradise. Oh, this is so cute. This is really amazing. Look at this. It's a bronze palette. This is, wow. I'm like trying everything. It has this little mirror on there. You guys can see my light. It comes with this. So that's all the products they send. They send, like I said, they send 5 products. I can't believe this. They send you 5 full-size products for $25. Every month you get that. And imagine, it's like how much is this worth? Oh, I'm sorry. Ace Beauté Bronze and Paradise. It's a $30 palette. The Bronze and Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products. This is $30. $30. And this is amazing how they send you full size products. And I think like the total should be like 100 and something. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. This whole box worth $150. $150 worth of products they send to you every month for $25 a month. I think this is really nice. I think like my favorite in this is this setting spray, Ciate London Everyday Vacay. I think the smell is really nice, and I kind of like this one as well because I already have, I already have one, but it's a little small, but this one is it's way bigger, like I said, and everything is, you know, like Babe Blush, I don't know, but I love it. I am all for trying, and I can't wait to try all of them. I cannot wait, you know, I can't wait to try all of them. This is amazing, and I'm gonna write the website in the description box for you guys to check it out. I think that, you know, if you guys can afford it, you guys should check it out. I thought at first I was skeptical about it because like on Instagram, like I don't know, for some kind of reason when I talk on my phone about something, and then if you click on it only once, the next thing you know, it's like constantly seeing it popping up like on your feed. It's just like always there, and I'm like, I might as well, let me just check it out. And I was skeptical at first, like I always do, and I didn't, I don't really like to use, I don't like to try things like that, but I was like, okay, let me just try to see how it is. But it is, well, this is my very first box. This is my very first time trying Boxy Charm, and I think that so far it's really nice, and I was like very happy with the products. And I saw that people posted like they have brushes, they have skincare. I did pick skincare, and they have you do I think I did like a what you call it, I think I did some I'm like going blank. I'm going blank every day. So if I'm going blank now, don't mind me, because that happened to me every day. That's what happened when you're getting older. Okay, so yeah, they make you take a little quiz, like to pick what you want, like what you more like want to have, like skincare. You can do makeup, foundation, what kind of stuff, and then they send you good price stuff. It's not like cheap things, as you guys can see. So I really think you guys should check it out. So that's it for today. So I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, please don't forget to turn on your post notification. Please press subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please just leave me a comment, and I would really appreciate it. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.